So, for not even a week, but yeah, maybe like 2 weeks or so, I've been working on these TNT blocks. And no, I'm not gonna do the rest of the colors. It would take too long. Plus, it would crash my computer, probably destroy it. I'll do the maximum as I can. But I did all these beacons to show each color. I just thought it would be fancy. So I connected all the TNT to this one, which will connect to the redstone leading to my house. So, in this point, I can just get straight out there. So, on the count of 3, I will activate the button. 3, 2, 1. Did it work? Oh no, wait, I forgot. It only goes okay, it only goes a long way. I'll have to fix this. Alright, so after fixing it and putting redstone repeaters, I'm ready to activate it. 3, 2, 1. There it is. Oh no, it's going. Wait, what? Did it stop?
No.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh jeez, it's lagging. Mega explosion, and it's only coming that way. I don't think it's activate there. Still. Yellow one has been exploded yet. Say goodbye to the yellow one. Now the actual explosion. There are so much explosions in there, like after explosions. It's done. It even made holes in the bedrock. What? Okay, that's not possible. What?
Holes in the bedrock.
Alright, well.
What happened to the city? The animals survived.
I mean, some of them did.
And what happened to the city?
Oh, the town. Ooh, it got impact.
They survived.
It blew up all the way over here. That's so crazy. Did it reach the tower? Don't tell me it reached the tower. No, it didn't reach the tower. It reached this house. That was so far. Anyway, I think that's probably one of the biggest explosions I will ever do. So yeah, so everyone, thanks for watching. But yeah.